Welcome back. In this video, we are going to make wireframe for our project, that is Lato online food order application. So you can see the application is look like this. This is the final project. So let's create a wireframe for it. Let's create new page. Click on the plus icon. Select design file. So let's rename it. So first of all, we are going to need frame. You can press F or you can go into this section and choose frame. And let's select iPhone 11 Pro Max frame. So in first frame, we only want to show the brand name, that is Lato. So let's create some components for it. First, let's make some more frames. Okay, our 5 frames are created now. So first frame is gonna be our brand name page, and the second one is sign in page, and third one is sign up page. And in fourth frame, we are gonna add foods we can order through this app, like burger, pizza, and fried chicken and all that. So I think we don't need the fifth frame, so let's delete this one. Select the frame and press delete on your keyboard. The frame is deleted now. So we have 4 frames now. Let's make some components. Select the rectangle, draw the rectangle like this, add a text. So it is gonna be our brand name. The font is too small. Let's select the font, go to design panel and increase the font up to like 36. Okay, let's adjust the font at the center. So this is our first component. So select the both the rectangle and the text. To select the multiple things, you know that we have to hold shift and press the text and the rectangle are selected now, and you have to press Ctrl G to make a group. So if I move like this, then both things move together. Let's say you don't make a group. Let's first of all, I need to ungroup this. Okay, so if I move this, you can see the brand name is not coming with this rectangle. That's why we group them. So for grouping, select the rectangle, hold shift, select the text and press Ctrl G, and this is now a group. So if I move like this on the screen, you can see the both things are moving together. Let's make so I already told you how to make component. Select your element and go to top bar menu and select this diamond button, and now this is your component. So you can use them multiple times in your project, and you can also access through this asset panel. You can see the brand name. Let's make a second component, that is gonna be our image. Let's choose rectangle, the shortcut is R, and let's make a perfect square. Hold shift, okay, like this, and let's add some polygon in it. You can see the color of polygon and the square is gray, so we have to change the color of polygon. So to do that, select the polygon, go into design panel, click on the fill, and let's move this cursor towards white like this. Let's move this one like this. Okay, let's duplicate this one. Okay, let's make a sun into it. These are the mountains, and let's make a small sun. Okay, like this. We have to also change the color of that sun into white like this. Okay, so this is our image, and select all the things and press Ctrl G. So this thing is grouped now, and let's make this element into component. So this is our second component. So let's make a profile picture component. For we are going to use circle, so you can press O or you can choose this ellipse button. Let's add this image into it. First of all, we need to make it small. Now let's add this image into this circle, but you can see the image is not visible because it is in back. The image is selected, click right on it and you can see the option called bring to front, and you can see the images now in front like this, and select all of the things and press Ctrl G to group them. It is now grouped, and let's make a component. Okay, this one is a component now. So this element is for profile picture. Let's make sign in and sign up bar, navigation bar. For that we are going to need rectangle. Let's make sure it matches with our frame, so it perfectly matches with our frame. I think we have to decrease a little bit. Now let's add a text in it. First one is sign in and the second one is sign up. So let's align them together. Select all the things. First select the sign in, select the rectangle, now select the sign up button. Now go to design panel and let's first align them bottom. Now let's align them vertically. Okay, it is aligned now. So next thing we have to make is that login button and sign up button. So let's select this square, duplicate it by pressing Alt, and first one is gonna be our login. I forgot to make this navigation bar into component. Select all the things, Ctrl G, and select on this diamond button. So this thing is now component. Let's make this page also a component. Duplicate this button and let's rename it into sign up. So this is our last component, and we are gonna need some menu buttons like hamburger, some icons like Facebook, Google, and Twitter. In team library video I already showed you, we installed some icon packages so we can use them in this project. So to access those things, go to asset and click on this book icon. You can see feather icon plus extra. Click on this toggle button. You can see we can use these icons. So we need this hamburger menu icon, so let's move this one, and you can also search like Facebook. Second one is Twitter, and the third one is Google, but it is not available, so we can use other icons like okay, this globe. Okay, we now have these 4 icons. Let's make our wireframe. So we created all the components, so we are going to use them in our wireframe. So in front page we have to add a brand name, so I'm gonna drag this like this and let's adjust it vertically. Okay, it is adjusted now. Let's rename it into like brand, and the second frame is gonna be sign in, and the third one is our sign up page, and the last one is menu. Okay, so we have 4 pages now. The first one is done. So in second frame what I want to do is that I want to add an image on the top. So let's stretch it like this, and I also want to put a brand name on this image. So let's drag this and let's add the brand name, so our UI developer will know. So this is image and this is the brand name. I think the color is same, so we have to change the color of the brand name. So let's select the master component. Let's make it more darker like this, and let's make sign in page. So we are going to require this navigation button. So next we want to like username, so let's draw a line. So we need 2 lines. The first one is for username and the second one is for password, and we have to add a login button. Hold Alt, move towards the second frame like this, and let's add our login with buttons. Those are Facebook, Google, and Twitter. So let's align them together first. So let's make them bigger. First is gonna be Facebook, second is gonna be Google. So let's align them together. Select Facebook, hold Shift, select globe, and select Twitter. First we have to adjust the bottom, and let's adjust them vertically. Okay, and let's add some horizontal spacing. Okay, so these things are aligned now. So in this page we have problem. So our UI developer will not know this is the sign up page or sign in page because all things are same. So what we can do is that we can make this sign in a little bit bold. So currently it is regular. Let's make it bold. Okay, now our developer will know this is the sign in page. So next the user will know currently we selected this burger, and we can also make this text a bold. So our developer will know currently the customer is on the burger section, and we can add some prices for it, like let's say this burger is for $15. Let's increase the font size for the $15. Let's make it up to like 24, and for second burger let's make it up to like $18. I know these are the quite expensive burgers. Let's make it normal because the user is selected the first burger. And let's adjust the text upwards like this. Okay, so let's add some section circle so our user will know we have more options, and select the first circle. Let's change the color for it so our developer will know, or our customer will know currently he or she is on front page. So if he swipes, then he's gonna be on the second page like this, or second section. So this is the wireframe for our first project, that is the lighter flutter project. You can see our final project. This is our brand name. You can see brand name plus image, login, sign up, username, password, login, and login with buttons like Twitter, Facebook, and Google. Same for here. You can see we also made this login into like pink color because our user will know currently he is on the login page, and in this page he will know he is on sign up page. And we can see the categories pizza, burger, the chicken, and you can see we made this burger highlighted, so user will know currently he is on burger category, and first he selected this burger, the first one is, and it is $15 burger. And you can see I also added the cart so he can check out the profile picture and the hamburger menu. And we can also add the search bar. So this is the wireframe for our first project. So in next video we are gonna make this wireframe into this project. I know this is the very lengthy video, but we just have to drag and drop things and adjust the some position of the element like this. So once you make your wireframe, you can make your project more faster. So I'm gonna divide every video in the separate part, like in first video I will add the splash screen and login page in the first video, and in second video I will add a sign up page video, and in third I will add this menu page. Video will become more shorter, and it will also gonna be easy to understand. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.